Hey guys, this is a video about the assembly of the membersmark Pro Series 4 burner grill. So here I start assembling the casters on the bottom. As you can see, pretty straightforward. I try to protect the floor to make sure that it wouldn't damage the the grill. So here what I'm showing you is that I did use the drill instead of just a Phillips head screwdriver. I like it better, it's quicker, but I just suggest you to put it on the number 1, the smallest number, so the torque is smaller, and you don't damage the threads. Um, then we move to putting the sides, pretty straightforward as well. The instructions are pretty good from the BILT app. The next step, you see that I haven't recorded, but it's how to install the ignition system. So it's just the BILT app showing. Just make sure that you follow it very carefully, but you can redo it later, to be honest. Now I'm starting to go on the front and the back. So I made it myself smaller in this one so you can see better how detailed the assembly instructions are. So I actually did this metal bar installation later on, but you can do it earlier if you'd like. Now I'm putting the handle. Pretty straightforward as well. So here I'm preparing the area so that I can put it on its back, because I'm gonna install the brackets that go on the bottom, and it helps. It's the one that holds the trays. So made the instructions a little bigger so you can see. Quite straightforward, nothing too complex. After I finish that, then the fun part starts. I realize that, hey, this thing is heavy, I'm gonna need 2 people. I can't install it all in the garage and then expect it to get to the deck. So then I brought this little trolley. I tried to protect it, and then I put it on top, and I started the transfer from the garage all the way to the deck. So here's my small movie, moving it around the house and getting it to the deck. You probably should do it with 2 people instead of trying to go through and do with only one person. The image is fast, like made faster, so it sounds like it looks like it was easier than it was. Actually, it was not that easy, but it's up to you. Just be careful. I would suggest trying with 2 people. Here's the process of putting it on top of the base. I didn't record me putting the base there, but I brought it from the garage as well. So you can see that I'm trying to put it in here, and then I'm trying to align. There are some guide pins there that help you, but again, it's fairly heavy. I don't know, say 30 pounds, maybe a little more, 40 pounds. I don't know, it's a little awkward. It's big. But yeah, so then I will be doing the screws on the bottom that are tying the base and the top of the grill. Now I'm installing the tray that goes on the bottom of the grill. You need 4 screws for that. two on the front, two on the back. To do the ones on the front, I had to lay down, but it was better for access. Then I turned the grill around, so I had access to the ones on the back. The access there is pretty easy. You can't see from this view, but it's pretty easy. Next I'm gonna start assembling those side things. I don't know the name. One has the burner, the other one is just like a support. So you can see it on the BILT instructions there. It took me quite a while to do that because lots of screws, but fairly simple. So then as you do that, you then need to screw in a couple of screws into the side of the grill. Don't screw them completely in. You need to leave a little bit so that you can hang these side things. There's probably a better name for that, but the side things on that. Then you have to use 3 more screws that serve to tighten it against the grill. Well, then after this time, my wife came, said, hey, it's too late, it's too cold, get inside. So I'm gonna post this video, and then I'm gonna work on getting a second one made for the final portion, and also the seasoning, and also maybe the first barbecue that I make. Thank you.